Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our KTM 2007 990 adventure bike. This bike is really in great shape. Just serviced with the 35K and brand new twin duro off-road DOT approved tires. It's also got a front headlight protector, removable bags, locking, electric heated grips, a great sounding exhaust system. This bike is in great condition, ready to make your dreams come true for adventure riding, and priced to sell just $49.99. That's way below book. Metallic orange color scheme. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.